OpenTug BargeOS empowers you to close deals faster, impress customers, and save significant amounts of time quoting and keeping shippers up to date. Quoting. Using our instant tow calculator, users can generate accurate estimates for any shipment easily. Select your assets and set your assumptions and destinations. Assumptions can be edited at any level of granularity. You can even plan and save your favorite routes. The platform uses real-time data from locks, weather, water levels, and other data sources to help you create the most accurate quotes. With powerful customizations, you can include third-party costs and ancillary charges to your entire voyage. Visualize your quote on a per barge, per barrel, per ton, or lump sum basis. In seconds, review your quote, and once ready, export the quote with a professional route plan with a click of a button. Send the quote to your customer and close the deal. Tracking. OpenTug reduces overhead and gives better visibility on every voyage by automatically creating position reports. After enabling reporting, teams can track fuel, assets, and expenses throughout each job. The platform instantly captures transit, loading, fleeting, docking, and delay events. You can now simply review and edit generated status reports or create manual reports before automatically sending approved reports to customers. Track the actuals of your voyages with AIS and barge tracking device-assisted reporting. Keep your quotes consistent across the sales team and reduce mistakes by managing all your asset assumptions and locations in OpenTug's real-time vessel, barge, and voyage tracking dashboard. Seamlessly edit asset details and add new assets from the Voyage tab. From the Voyage detail view, you can manage prices, fuel burn, and speed, ensuring your team stays up to date on every tow. Leverage your historical data to draw valuable insights into performance and increase your quoting accuracy. Easily go back in time and review or modify previously completed jobs. Thanks for taking the time to learn about BargeOS quoting and tracking. Supercharge your sales and logistics operations with accurate cost modeling, voyage reporting, insights, and a state-of-the-art customer portal. Are you ready to amplify your business's commercial operations? Reach out today to learn more about how OpenTug can work for you.